Hello guys, welcome back to Robert's Vision YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to look at how to convert a WebM video file to an MP4. So with that being said, let's jump straight to the video. So you're going to need to install the Handbrake software onto your computer. You launch your Google Chrome, then type in Handbrake. Click here, download Handbrake, then you install it on your computer. But in my case, I had already installed it on my computer. It is over here. After having installed it on your computer, open it. After opening the Handbrake software, this is how it is going to be with some few things we are seeing over here. Folder, batch, scan, open a folder with one or more files. This is whereby you can open a folder with a couple of video files if you have a couple of video files that you would want to convert. Or here you can open a single file where if you click here you can look for where your video file is, then you hit open to open it, or you can drop a file or folder here. So if you go on my desktop, this is where my video file I'm going to convert is. I'm going to drag it to my Handbrake software. After opening it, this is how it is going to look like with some of the things we are seeing here. But for the case of this video, we are going to look at a few that we are going to need to carry out this process of converting this file to MP4. So there is open source. This is where you go if you want to drop in other video files you want to convert. If you have a couple of different files that you want to convert, you can first bring them all to the Handbrake software by adding them to the queue. Start encode, this is where we are going to hit to start converting. Then queue, this is where you go and check the video files that you put in the queue that you're going to convert. On preview here, this is where you go through your videos before you convert so that you can confirm which kind of video you're going to convert. So if you go over here under the summary, you can see format, whereby you can select the format which you want to convert your video file. There is MP4, MKV, and WebM, but for this video we are going to convert a WebM file to an MP4, so I will have to select the MP4 option. These are the details that show the properties that the video file has. You can browse where you would want your video file to be saved after being converted. So for my case, I want it to be saved on the desktop, then I will have to hit save. If you go over here on this file extension, at the end of it you can see there is M4V. M4V and MP4, they are the same, it's just the file extension that is different. Or you can Google to know more details about the difference between M4V and MP4. So you're going to go here and change this M4V to MP4. After doing that, you can go over here and start encoding. After hitting it, it is going to change to this, whereby you can stop your encoding or you can pause according to what you would want. So depending on how long your video is, you're going to wait until it finishes encoding here. So it may take a few seconds or it may take some few minutes. You will have to wait for it to finish encoding. Finally, when your video is done to convert, they will tell us queue finished. So when the video is done converting, we can check on our desktop. Here is our video file. If you check on its properties, right click and go over to the properties, you will get to see that this video is MP4. Alright, so that's how you convert a WebM video file to an MP4. That's it for today guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a like. I'll be posting more tips and tricks like these ones, so subscribe for more videos that are coming soon. I'll see you in the next one.